favorite part of Saturday mornings here on Eyewitness News, The Law and You, featuring attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. 2016, guys, the year kind of moving along already.
Oh, man, and I tell you what, the coffee is only getting better and better. What are we drinking today?
Oh, today you have the very special blend from Africa.
Oh, wonderful.
I imported it.
Look at how excited Greg is.
Let's get him another coffee, I guess, maybe
Saturday
to get
morning.
a little more excitement over there.
We're going to wake up Mr. Grumpy over
Jeepers,
here.
God. All right, here's our question today, and this is from Brenda in Dallas. My dad passed away a year ago in September. A family member borrowed $30,000 and has repaid $2,000 before my dad's passing. The note was not notarized. Is this family member obligated to pay the money to my father's estate? If not, is there any legal recourse that can be taken to collect the money? What do we have to do here?
Brenda, it's a very complicated question. Normally what happens is when someone dies, if there are creditors of the estate, then the estate, whatever money is left over in the estate, they can, or I don't even know if this would be considered a creditor because there's nothing notarized.
Well, there's a loan document.
There's a
back
loan
to the
document,
estate,
but
though.
it's
I
not.
mean, I think that's how you could argue it. From the estate's purpose. Hey, you signed the note. You got to pay the estate back.
There's
we have
a debt.
interest in the.
There's a debt that's owed to the estate, but you really. You got some complicated estates and trust questions here, really complicated.
Way above our pay grade.
Oh, way above our pay grade.
Not, but the best thing you need to do is you need to really get to a lawyer, have someone administer the estate, present that document that shows the loan, present the payments that were made, let them make a determination whether or not that, can it be collected on, and kind of let it play itself out, because you don't want to be the bad guy in a family situation. So I think let who's ever administering the estate, the lawyer, let them handle it. I mean, everybody's going to be entitled to their take, but the smart play is let it play itself out through. And again, if I go through the courts, it goes through the courts. But these family things, we've seen it all the time. It gets crazy.
Well.
People get really nuts with money. So. Get somebody involved immediately to help you guys with this issue.
Yeah, and the first thing you got to do is figure out who is the proper administrator or administratrix of the estate, and that's going to be the first point of contact. That's going to be the person who has to pursue them.
Now, I know you guys will refer this one out, so our viewers who need some help in a situation like this, how can they reach you?
Give us a call, 570-714-HURT. See us on the web, 714hurt.com. We have a group of guys and women that we work with that help us when we have calls just like this. So if you need some help, we'll point you in the right direction.
No doubt. We'll get you to the right people that can sort this out.
Bad news is you won't be working with Ed or I specifically because we don't know this stuff.
All right. Well, that's the bad news. The good news is you can get some help. Of course, results matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, thanks. We'll see you back here on Monday.
We'll see you on Monday.
Don't forget, PAHomepage.com or the Law and You hotline are open.